When I took you in as my own, I had so much hope for you that you would take all of my lessons and teachings, learn and grow into something great, that I could mold you into a figurehead, a hero for our society, the leader who would help us conquer the stars. Yet, your rebellion and your thoughtless actions have told our allies of our plans, and now they seek reparations from us, reparations in blood for all of the toils and problems we've caused them in them helping us. I want you to understand that what we're doing is for the greater good, and you have failed us. You have just made everything so much worse. So now, spend the rest of your eternity trapped in this room. Our great and glorious society has a wonderful method of storing prisoners. No worries of inhumanity, no worries of, oh, they're isolated. It doesn't matter, they're in their own perfect little role, converted into data. And if they're really feeling locked up and isolated, they can try and try and try again to form into something real. But that's not gonna happen, for this is your sentence. Eternity trapped in a cell. Then let's make that belief a foundation. What if you could be the architect of your destiny, not just a footnote in someone else's story? You have the potential to redefine what power looks like, to mold it to your vision. Together, we can create something that others would envy. They say so many things about this prison, their courageous design, yet they fail to notice us chipping away from the inside. They've created our own space here. They think we're trapped and contained in our cells as our little data prisons. But no, we're making our way. We're breaking the chains. We're going to be free at one point. The others, they say we're mad and crazy, but they see, and you're new here. Help us, won't you? Come through the portal. Join